Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to skip the BullX waiting list and get instant access to your account. If you've been stuck waiting, don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you guys. So when you try to create a BullX account, you'll go through a few steps. First, you need to connect your Telegram to BullX and send the start command. So you need a Telegram account. So what I'm going to do is run this through. So I'm going to click on connect, and now I'm going to click on start bot. Now this is going to go ahead and open up my Telegram like so. And now what I'll do, I'll just go right up to the top of the page here, and then it will say, so you'll come to this screen here. Alright, so from here you need to go ahead and click start. Then it will say welcome to BullX, please set a Telegram username to access the bot. So you're going to put in your username, such and such, and then you'll come to this bit where it says you are currently on the waitlist for early access. We'll notify you as soon as you have access. If you have an access code, please paste in the link below. Since BullX is still in early access, you need to have an access code from a BullX partner to bypass the queue, and lucky for you, I've got you covered. I'm dropping my access code in the description below. Just copy and paste it into the chat and you'll be in. Plus, using my code gives you a 10% lifetime discount on trading fees. And then once you've entered the code, you'll see a message saying congratulations, your access code has been redeemed. This means your BullX account is now activated. From there, you'll also unlock BullX Turbo, and all that's left to do is hit login and you're good to go. And now once you've put in access code and connect, you're going to come to this page, BullX, and you'll be able to see all the new trading pairs inside of here, and you can start making trades.